Hello students! In this video we can learn about OR operator and its truth table. This video is based on computer basics. So before going into the topic, we must first understand what is Boolean algebra. If we understand this only, we can know the clear idea. We already know that computers are made of digital circuits. So in order to design digital circuits, we use Boolean algebra, that is a mathematical discipline. It describes the relation between input and output of the digital circuit, and it was given in honor of English mathematician George Boole, who proposed the principle of this algebra. And here results are true or false, and these are known as truth value. Result 1 means true and result 0 means false. These variables can store this truth value are known as logical variable or Boolean variables, and it can store one of the two values of true or false. Just it can store neither true nor false. So now you may have clear understanding why we are using Boolean algebra in truth table. Boolean algebra makes use of variables and operation, that is function. The basic logical operation are and, or, and not. And is represented by symbol dot, or is represented by symbol plus, and not by overbar. These symbols are known as logical operators. So in last video, we studied about logical operator and now we are going to study about logical operator OR. So once again, Boolean algebra makes use of the logical operations that are and, or, and not. Now, what is meant by OR operator? The plus sign is used to indicate OR operator, and it combines two or more input variables so that the output is true if at least one input is true. So once again, the main thing is the output is true if at least one input is true. And now the truth table for two input OR operator is shown as follow. So before going into truth table of OR operator, we can first understand what is meant by truth table. Truth table combines possible variables and it provides the output based on the logical variables that is given as input. And it gives only the result true or false, that is true means 1, 0 means false. This we have to remember always. Now we can go into the truth table of OR operator. So this is the truth table for two input OR operator, and that is expressed as y is equal to a plus b. So now how the result came, we can go step by step. First we can draw the truth table, and the possible combination is 0 0 0 1 and then 1 0 and 1 1. That is, it is combination of two input. So first we can see the combination for 0 0, and we know that OR operator y is equal to a plus b, and here the result will be true if only one input or both input of true. In a simple way, at least one input should be true. Here both are false and thus the answer is 0. Next combination 0 1. So by looking into this, we can understand that one input is true. So the condition is output is true if at least one input is true. So thus the value is true, that is 1. Now we can go into next combination, that is 1 0. So here also it has two input 1 and 0. So this also satisfies the condition, that is at least one input is true. So now we can write the answer as 1, that is true. So a simple thing to remember is output is true if at least one input is true. Next we can go into next combination, that is 1 1. So here both value is true. So it satisfies the condition if at least one input is true, the output is true, that is 1. So now we can directly write the answer, that is 1. So thus this is the truth table for our operator. So once again, simple thing to remember is output is true if at least one input is true. In next video we can study about NOT operator. Hope you understood. Thank you.